What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again for another dividend paying video. In this video, I have gotten my second dividend payment from MFA Financial. And so that's what we're going to be talking about in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to the stock market, I've had a very rocky relationship. I kind of restarted to invest in the stock market again in May 2020, and it has been anything but a smooth ride. But of late, I have turned and shifted my focus to dividend paying stocks. In the beginning, I was trying to be a day trader, swing trader. Didn't work out too well. It's insanely stressful for me personally. But I ended up shifting my focus, like I said, to more dividend paying stocks. And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my second dividend payment from MFA Financial. Let's see what the ticker symbol is for you guys. I think the ticker symbol is MFA. Let's just double check. I want to make sure I'm checking my Robinhood real quick. Ticker symbol is MFA. Cool. All right. So this is my second dividend payment. So I started investing, like I said, a while back. And I'll go ahead and show you guys my history with MFA Financial. So right now what I'll do is I'll put on the screen in a separate tab here. And you guys can see that currently the cost is $4.29 per share. My average cost is $3.81. And my market value is $4,448. My total return is up $499.59. Now, I have some history with this particular stock. There was a time that I had bought a lot of shares and was day trading. So I'll show you guys that just to kind of show that I was kind of all over the place as far as investing is concerned. And day trading, like I said, is not the easiest thing to do, which is why I just don't bother doing it altogether. So I'll scroll down here and show you guys my history. So I'm going to click on show more just because I want to show you guys some history that I've had with MFA Financial before I show you the dividend payment that I just got and the fact that it is my second dividend payment. Okay, so I've scrolled down. This is the entire history that I have with this particular company, MFA Financial. And as you can see here back on at the very bottom of the screen, back on June 15th, 2020, I bought 4,000 shares and it was $2.67 per share. Now, remember, today, this is trading for $4.29, okay? And I had bought 4,000 shares at one time. So as you can see here, I had 4,000 shares here, and then I sold those same 4,000 shares when it went up to $2.71 because I was trying to be a day trader once again. That was almost a $200 profit there, not quite. And then I bought some more shares here I bought 4,500 shares this time instead of 4,000. I bought 4,500 shares on the 15th of June again, and then I sold them for $2.79 per share. So I got like a little over $100 profit there, as you can tell. So once again, I was really trying to day trade. I mean, I was day trading basically. Here's another purchase. I bought again some more shares on the 15th of June again. 4,500 shares, bought at $2.76, sold at $2.85. Got some more profit there. And this was actually had, I guess, a decent experience, I guess. But to say, it was kind of all over the place. So you can see here, June 16th, I bought some more shares. This time I bought $46.50 in shares, and it was $3.02 per share. And then on July 1st, I sold 4,600 shares for $2.52. So I lost all the profit that I had made previously. It was tough. And so I eventually settled and decided, you know what, let me go ahead and just day trade. So currently I have, let's see how many shares I have right now. I'll look right here on the dividend payment. So you guys can see I got a dividend payment on April the 30th, and I'll click on that to show you the details. At that time, I had 1,019 shares. So I guess I kind of settled on 1,000 shares eventually, right? And then I accumulated more with the dividend payments that I got. So because they're paying out 0.075 cents, I got a dividend payment of $76.48. So as you can see, that was reinvested here. At the time it was reinvested on April 30th, I was able to pick up 17.19 shares. You guys can see that there at $4.45, which is crazy because originally I didn't want to have the dividend reinvestment plan turned on Robinhood. I didn't want to have it enabled because I felt like I can buy some shares at a lower cost, right? And so this is a prime example. It purchased the shares here at $4.45. And then of course, today, right now, it's $4.29 per share. I'll show you guys that right here. $4.29 per share, right? So the dividend reinvestment plan turned on automatically on Robinhood is very, very convenient. You can just set it and forget it. You don't have to worry about making purchases every single time you get your dividend payment because it does it for you. But this is a prime example of how maybe doing it myself would have been better for me, right? If I time it right. And that's the thing about the stock market is like timing the stock market is not the easiest thing. I don't recommend anybody try to do that. So that's why I just have it turned on. But what I want to show you real quickly is the difference between the two payments that I've gotten. So I've gotten two payments, right? So I'll click on show more. And then at the top, I will sort it by clicking on dividends. So I only have two dividend payments, right? So you see the very first dividend payment that I got was January 31st. And this is a quarterly paying dividend stock, right? So if I click on that, you'll see that I had 1,000 shares at the time. At the bottom of the screen here, I had 1,000 shares and they're paying out 0.07 cents. And I got a $75 payment, right? So with that $75 payment, I just turned around and bought more shares. And then the next dividend payment that I got, which is my second one, is April 30th, okay? And at that time, I had 1,019 shares, and they're paying the same amount, which is why I got a dividend payment of $76.48. So between the first and second payment, I don't remember if I spent any more money. Let me see if I spent any more money or if I did exactly a $75 purchase. Okay, sweet. So right here, you guys can see, if I scroll all the way down to, where is it, January? I don't see it here. I don't see the dividend payment here in January. But right here on February the 1st, I purchased those shares myself because I did not have the dividend reinvestment turned on automatically. So right here on February 1st, you see that there's an order to buy for $75 even, okay? So I made that purchase myself, $75, and I picked up 19.7 more shares. So the reason why I'm showing you guys that is my dividend payment from the first payment, which was January 30th, is more now. My second payment is more by $1.48 because I chose to reinvest the dividend payment and bought more shares. And that is the power of dividend investing. That is really, really sweet. Like I didn't do anything. Now, of course, it took 3 months to accumulate that $1.48 difference that I got there for the dividend payment. But it's super awesome. And over time, if you add the fact that I may get a 60-cent increase or an 85-cent increase on my dividend payment by just reinvesting my dividend, over years, that's going to be insanely substantial. And that's why dividend investing for me personally is a bit more attractive. Okay. But I wanted to kind of show you guys that. Now, overall, my portfolio has taken a huge hit. Yesterday was not a good day. I'm currently up today $1,500, but that's really nothing because the money that I have invested in the market right now is over $200,000. I'll show you guys here. So right now I have invested in the market $206,000. Okay. And this is basically based on from May 18th, 2020. And of course you can see all the excitement. There was a point where I was down negative $59,000 here. October 31st, 2020 was not a very pleasant day. I was down negative $59,229.35. And so currently I am down $22,000 for the year, which still hurts my feelings a lot. But when it comes to the stock market, man, it's Your mistakes are very expensive, and so when you're first getting started with dividend investing or just investing in the stock market, it's very, very important for you to do your research. Like if I had gotten started with dividend investing from the very start, I would have been up substantially and I would be in a way better situation. But that's life. That's very much like the stock market and like life, where everything doesn't quite go your way. You know, you live and you learn. You have to grow and gain through experiences. So you guys have the opportunity to see, once again, my portfolio. Currently, I'm down $22,000 right now, but this will not always be so. I plan on being consistent. I'm going to do these videos and you guys will be here for the journey, and you guys will see the difference in my portfolio from today, a year down the road, 5 years down the road. And there's going to be a point where I'll be in the green finally. But as of now, for the year, I am down negative $22,000. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.